Hello everyone. First, download and install Stickerly app, and after install, open it. Now in the app, tap on add icon. We have two options, animated and regular. Based on your need, choose one of them. For example, we need animated, tap on it. Now we have a two section, library and GIF, which in library we can convert our video to a sticker. From GIF section, tap on it. For example, we can use trending GIF or search any GIF and convert to a sticker, but we want convert our video to a sticker. For that, tap on library. Now choose a video you want make a sticker. For example, I choose this video. Now as you see, we have a timeline, and if you tap on it, we can just use 5 seconds of our video and make it a sticker. For that, you must choose 5 seconds of your video. For example, I choose this part of my video. After that, tap on done. Now in editing mode, we have add image section, text section, emoji and background. If you tap on background, you can add any background you want from GIF or with color. We don't need background. For example, from emoji, tap on it. You can add any emoji you want. For example, this one I choose and I put on my video. And tap on text. You can write any text and with any color and add in your video. Also, we have an add image. If you tap on it, you can add any image you want and put on your video. After any change, on the top, tap on save. Now you can add tag for your sticker and find that, or also you can create a new pack. And as you see, I have my sticker packs, and if you tap on new pack, you can, for example, test one and tap on create. And as you see, this sticker will be saved to test one pack or other pack you want. After that, tap on save. Now wait for uploading. Now as you see, our sticker was created, and if you want to use this sticker in WhatsApp, tap on add to WhatsApp icon. Now tap on add. As you see, our sticker has been added to WhatsApp. Now open your WhatsApp. In WhatsApp, now tap on a sticker icon, and in a sticker section, as you see in the bottom, we have our sticker pack, and also we have our sticker pack section. If you want send that sticker you created, tap on that sticker. Now as you see, our sticker was sent. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel and support us to make more videos. Thanks for watching.